Attention, please. It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Good morning, everyone, teachers, parents, and my beloved friends. Finally, we actually managed to the graduation.
Honestly, there were moments when homework almost defeated us.
And don't forget the surprise quizzes.
And those magical words from teachers, this will be collected today.
But somehow it's about the group projects.
Morning ceremonies. Over the years, we learned many things.
English, math, science, studies, and PI.
And professional skills like borrowing pencils permanently.
Today is not just about saying goodbye. It's about celebrating all the memories we have made together. So sit back
Relax. And enjoy the graduation celebration of Grade 6
SDT Saramat 2026. Bye!